Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about the currency topic, which is directly going to connect to the earthquakes. So here basically I'm in India, so I will talk about the India only basically. If I would be in Singapore, then I would be talking about the Singapore. I'm not in Singapore, so I'm not talking about the Singapore. I'm basically talking about the India land because I am currently in India. So one person told that basically there are you just now basically told that basically there are 1 lakh vegetables basically which is already created by set of groups basically set of here basically we are talking about not land vegetable. Land vegetable is limitation is 300 time. After that basically it's going to convert to problem only. So for that basically the few people told that basically alternative can be software basically energy, and that is also basically going to take the blood cells data only of the human, and blood cells data basically are created by cities to cities basically. That city basically, for example 5 city combination will generate this vegetable, 10 city combination will generate this fruits, 15 15 land combination will generate that data, 20 that, 35 that, 50 that, 70 that. Like this basically the combinations are defined. And few people basically say that basically if you are creating some vegetables everything basically that is going to affect your body, right? That is 100% sure. So your body is basically moving in the earth planet, right? In the certain environment which is created by the political people. So that group basically say that basically you will be moving in the certain environment basically, right, which is created by us, but that environment basically is supposed to be in certain level basically that you can able to move that basically, because your body basically is created from 6 crore blood cells. So that should basically not supposed to harm the environment. That body is not supposed to harm your environment basically. Sorry, that environment is not supposed to harm your blood cells. So for that basically we have created few combination incidents basically. There are basically more than 3 lakh multiplied by 3 lakh combinations which will never harm your body basically, because same incidents basically is never going to happen to the, it's not going to repeat basically. And few people say that sometime basically it might get effect, sometime basically it might repeat. So like this basically things are also basically there. So we basically creates the incidents, and we have created the incidents with the help of certain level of combinations data basically. We have created basically government is saying that we have created the incidents, and they are basically still sitting at the parliament house. They are basically telling that we have created the incidents, and for that basically especially the books are also basically created. Especially the books are also basically created. Especially books are also created, so that proof basically will be there that this all basically is created. This all basically are created actually. One example I have already taken. 22 crore people basically Indian basically are in USA. For that 90,000 till incidents basically is already created. For what purpose? So that the basically INR and dollar currency keeps on moving plus minus plus minus plus minus. If this incident happen plus, if that incident happen minus, that incident happen minus, that incident happen plus, that incident happen plus, that incident happened, that incident has happened minus, do minus, like this basically. Do this much only minus. If that incident basically happened, do this much only minus. If that incident happens, do that much only minus. If that incident basically happens, do this much only plus. Like this basically the things basically are created, and everything is done basically, everything is created also basically. Everything is created basically. Everything is created. So each and every currency basically that connects to 0.0001 paisa, that are also basically taken, that are also basically taken. So it's not like that basically, not a 1 paisa basically there is no value of 1 paisa, still there is a value of 1 paisa. Here basically the value is 1 paisa is there basically, value of 1 paisa is there basically. So like this basically I have taken many example of currencies also. So here basically I have taken the example of vegetables, natural vegetables, then basically the software combination vegetables. Software combination people basically say that basically we have till now basically we have this many data, so this many combination basically we have used, and there are basically each human basically has 6 crore blood cells that is mapped to the each and every city basically. So according to that only basically we can take the data. For that's why this basically data basically combination basically if we are not able to use for that, if the data basically combination is getting over, just see basically what the things basically are. If the data basically combination is getting over, for that basically we have created the 5 crore people basically. 5 crore people basically we have already created human souls, sorry, human clone basically. They are basically going to generate the few data basically in the universe basically. For that results basically we have to do the preparation basically. Government basically are telling that we are not basically sitting like idly basically, we are keeps on creating basically, keeps on creating. We are basically keeps on creating basically. We are basically keeps on creating. Like this basically we are keeps on creating basically. Like this basically we are keeps on creating. Like this basically we are keeps on creating basically. Like this we are keeps on creating basically. So like this basically you can just imagine the creation basically the government basically are doing. So like this basically you can just imagine the combination basically power basically, which government is also basically telling. We are also know basically there are lots of limitation. For that basically we are creating the universe also basically na? We are not creating this 5 crore people basically. We are basically not creating this 5 crore people basically. So in next video we are going to see a little bit more about this only.